In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to complete a Target online payment. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app or navigate to the official website of Target, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now, browse through the items and select the item that you want to purchase. Add the item to the cart. Now head over to the carts page, then click on checkout. Now fill in these details, then head over to the section of payment, click on add. Choose one of the available payment methods such as credit or debit card, Target, Circle Card, Target gift card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay or any other payment option available for your order and location. Then provide your payment details, and once you do that, place your order. Before placing your order, carefully review your order summary, shipping details, payment information, and total amount. If everything looks correct, click or tap place order to complete your purchase. And that's it. This way you can easily complete a Target online payment. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.